What's up guys, this is Gerald. In this video, I'm going to show you how to upgrade and install smoke finished sequential LED side mirror lights for your 2019 and 2020 Toyota RAV4. Now this is a POV video, so you'll be able to see clearly on how to install these sequential turn signals from my point of view. I've done quite a few DIY mods on my 2020 RAV4 XSC Hybrid, and this mod is one of the easiest and fastest mod that you could do yourself. It should only take you about 15 minutes. I purchased these lights for about $50 on September of 2020, and I feel that it's a pretty good mod or pretty good upgrade for the price. It'll give you sequential LED lights, and it has smoke finish which looks much better than the chrome finish that the original ones have. Without further ado, let's get started.
This is what the packaging come in with, and this is the barcode or the part number, and I'm gonna provide the link in the description below for this product. As you can see, it's actually nicely packaged. I'm pleasantly surprised. It has foam padding everywhere, even on the top, and there you go. So we have the two LED sequential turn signals. It's nicely packaged, nicely protected with this wrap, and they also give you this installation tool. So they give this prying tool, which is pretty nice, as well as this screwdriver. So it has this Phillips head screwdriver, but you can flip it around and you have the flat head screwdriver. We're gonna go ahead and install for the passenger side first, and for that we need to open this mirror cover here, and I believe it's held by a few clips. I know that it's held by two clips here on the side, and these clips are pretty thin, and it's also held by another pin right here in the middle, which is a little bit thicker. So we want to start on this side instead of starting from this side, because if you start from this side you may break the pin. So we're gonna go ahead and start with this one. So let's see if I can just, there you go. So it's pretty simple, and now on this end you just want to be a little bit careful. So there you go guys. So you don't really need this prying tool, and as you can see, these are the pins that's holding. So these two here, these are the side pins. As you can see, it's a little bit flimsier, but this pin here that's holding the middle, and this is a little bit thicker. And as you can see, these are the notches for this side pin. So it has one here and the other one right here, and like I said, this bigger pin here is actually attached to this hole right there. Okay, so that's the first step. Very easy. And then the second step is that we are going to remove these two screws right here. So for that, we're going to use the provided tool. Very handy. We want to take out this LED light, and this is now being held by this plastic housing right here, as you can see. And first you can just pull it a little bit, and then you want to release this clip right here. So you just want to squeeze this and release it from the clip. There you go. So this clip was attached to this hole right here, and once you release the clip, you just kind of want to wiggle out the light, and it will come off. Very easy. Alright, next what we want to do, we want to disconnect this light, and for that I want to push on this tab here and then just push it out. There you go. So this is what the original looks like. It says made in Thailand, Murakami. So this is, we're gonna replace this with a LED. So let's put this aside, and this is our new turn signal. Just remove the plastic. As you can see, it looks really like, you know, it has all this padding as well, so it looks very similar. And in here it's gonna say that this is for the right. I don't know if you can see, but there's an R there, so that indicates that this is for the right side, which is for the passenger side. Looks very similar. Alright, so next we're just going to install this, and for that, just make sure that the red goes with the pink one. So this pink cable, as you can see, it's on the top, so we want to connect the red with the pink one, and you just have to insert. Okay, once you insert, it's gonna get locked right there, and then let's test it out first before we put it in. I turn on the hazard light, and as you can see, it works. It's sequential LED lights, and what I like about this one too compared to the OEM one is that this is smoke. I've been blacking out this car all the chrome piece. And with this one now, it's it's also blacked out. It has this smoke look, which is very nice compared to the original one, which looks like it's chrome. That it works, we're just gonna put it back, and for that, again, just gonna wiggle it in. You want to insert the clip back, so insert this back to the hole, insert this one back to this hole right here, and also insert this one back to this hole. So just push, align everything, and push it. And that's it. And now all we have to do, we just have to screw back screws. Next, we're just gonna put the cover back, and for that we're gonna put this side first. We're gonna put this inside first, and then we're gonna flip it to the outside. So just align, flip, and then press. So this is the finished product for the passenger side. As you can see, it has this really nice smoke finish, very different compared to the original one. This is the original one, and as you can see, it has more of a chrome finish, while this one has this nice smoke finish, which blends in nicely with the black mirror cam that I have. Right now we're on a daylight, and as you can see on the passenger side on the left, where I changed the turn signal to the new sequential LED light, you can really see the turn signal blinking very clearly, and compare that to the driver's side where it still has the original turn signal, you really can't see the light blinking. And if I get closer now, you can see the light is actually blinking, but it's just so dim that you really can't see it from the front. And compare that with the new LED sequential light that I just installed, it is just much brighter and you can see clearly when it's blinking.